Hello. Okay, this is my second video. I'll be showing my animals. I have 7. So we're not like those people that have like 53 freaking animals, you know. Only 7. Okay, first one is our dog. He's right here. Alex. Can you get a puppy? Oh my gosh. Like, not to be mean, but he's not a racist dog, don't worry. But when we got him, he was 4 months old. And his last home, a little Mexican girl had him. He does not like Mexican, mostly girls, little girls. Because she just threw him around, you know. Like he was just like a football, you know. And then our neighbors, well, it's not our neighbors, like they're upstairs and they're like 4 houses down, apartments down. And like it's kind of my mom opened the door. My mom opened the door, and I was like, yes, we'll take it. You know, so it was like left. No, and this is not the second one we got. Actually, yes, this is the second one we got. Okay, this is the second one. Just kidding. Okay. This is my personal pet. I got her either when I was 8 or when I was 9. It was like a little early rather than 2 years ago or 1. Hold on 1 second. Okay, this is my personal pet. Come here. It's a gerbil. The have a pet spot. I had to, but one died. This is her. You can see it on the lip. Okay, our third was a cat.
I'm trying to cut most of the children a little bit of slack this time of year.
I don't understand that. It looks like kids are misbehaving everywhere. They're running with scissors. They're always...
Okay, well, she followed our neighbors. Well, they moved, but she followed them. And my mom just took her, you know. Okay, fourth? Yeah, fourth. Okay. My people have this cinema, but you know. These 3 animals. Like, so they're not that common. Like, creeping. Can't see her, but it's a ball python. Snake. It's in here. Right there, and that little dome right there is probably where she is, so okay. There's what? Yeah. Okay, this is the 5th and 6th. Then face the other. The rats. They're feeders, but she never ate them. Hey! This one here, the gray. Our snake didn't eat her. She was pregnant. They had babies, but we didn't keep them. Hey, why do you guys keep trying to bite my nails? Holy! Oh, they have chocolate on them. Over here? Yeah, so we just want to keep her. Was her better? Okay. Last but not least, certainly least, is our other cat.
Your neighbors? How did you know her name?
The necklace is a camel on it.
Here, Mika. When in the room, I'll tell you all about her story. Okay, her story is long. Now, I'm gonna tell it short. Okay, so my dad, stepdad, he worked here, apartments, and the girl, she was a woman. She was probably about 59 or 69, and she ended up breaking her hip. But she smoked and she drank a lot. Not good. And she looked like she was freaking, 92. But, yeah. I mean, like an animal whisperer. What's that? So, yeah. But, so my mom ended up getting her. Those three other cats. But the last two, well, the boy, he was never over. The houses smell like cigarettes. Don't they walk were yellow? It was messy. She was a hoarder. The boy, though, he was rude. We could not find the third one. But me and my brother were at school, and Mom went, and they ended up finding the third one, and she was a sweetheart. Tried getting her, but they ran out the door. They went and getting her, and they ran out the door, because the door was open. So, we might keep her. So, okay. Like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications, and comment down what you think you should call this channel. Bye!